Hi, I'm Chandra, working as Key Accounts Director at Incture. I'm responsible for our relationship with key customers in the manufacturing industry in North America. I'm with Incture for about 5 months. And coming from a large organization, what stands out for me is the partnership and friendships that we develop with the colleagues we work with. We collaborate this way to deliver the best for our customers. We work on building innovative products and digital hyper-automation applications to drive business outcomes. We are building the largest marketplace for enterprise digital applications called Cherrywork. We are on an exciting growth journey with young ignited minds, and I'm glad to be a part of it. We are running a couple of unique initiatives called Bring Her Back to Work and Standing with Our Forces to encourage women looking to start or restart their career in digital technology. You can find more about these initiatives on our website. Come join us and be part of our growth journey.